Thank you. And good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this Loxam branch of Colombe in the Paris area. I'm very pleased that this webinar can take place live from a rental branch because those branches are the heart of our business. In Colombe, 13 people are working in this branch. They rent a fleet of about 1,500 equipment, including a lot of what we call the log screen machine, which means low emission equipment. And they serve over 1,000 customers for a turnover which is around 4 million euros. This branch is part of the Parisian Loxam network, which counts over 70 branches around Paris. And I'd like to warmly congratulate the branch for the organization of this event. As you mentioned already, this event is part of the European Rental Week, organized for the first time this year. ERA, National Rental Association, and rental companies all over Europe are celebrating the equipment rental industry throughout the week. We are very proud that this European Rental Week can take place already in 2023, less than a year after the idea was born out of discussion between the national associations and the promotion committees of ERA about how we can support each other in promoting our industry. I'd like to thank all their members for this brilliant idea, for their tenacity and strength of conviction in taking it forward. European Rental Week is an annual event dedicated to the promotion of rental across Europe. It aims to coordinate promotional activities from rental companies and rental associations to improve the attractiveness of our industry, to raise awareness of the rental concept, and promote rental as a sustainable, cost-effective, and resource-efficient solution. The theme of this first European Rental Week is investing in people. And several activities during this week are focusing on the promotion of the industry as an employer. The rental industry is, above all, a people industry. Without our people, we wouldn't deliver any services to our customers. And the challenges of attracting, recruiting, and retaining people are common to us all. This was confirmed during the strategic review that the ERA board carried out in January. During this exercise, it was confirmed that the goal of the 3-year strategic plan of ERA is to improve the attractiveness of the equipment rental industry, and through 3 pillars. First, sustainability by reducing the environmental impact. Second, people, attracting, recruiting, and retaining with a special focus on health and safety. And last, finance, aiming to safeguard the profitability of the rental industry. As you will hear during the panel discussion later, ERA has recently partnered with Eurogroup Consulting to conduct a comprehensive study addressing attraction and retention challenges in the equipment rental industry. This study aims to provide valuable insights for rental companies, foster a more engaging work environment, and enhance the industry's overall appeal. And I take the opportunity to invite all the rental companies and rental associations to actively participate in an upcoming survey they will receive later this month. The survey will directly target employees of rental companies in various roles and different levels, and will cover multiple aspects related to attractiveness and retention within the sector. We need as many employees as possible and in as many rental companies as possible, even if they are not ERA members, to answer that survey so that it can give a true picture of our industry in Europe and benefit all the rental companies. I am very pleased that Jean-Baptiste Anna from Europe Consulting is with us today and can share some first findings of the study. I would also like to thank Mr. François-Michel Lambert, French deputy and founder of the French National Institute of Circular Economy. He has recently published an appeal for a circular supply chain, and he will conclude this webinar. So I recommend that you stay tuned for that. Before I give the floor to the next speakers, I would like to thank Séverin Rende from S&P for giving us a first flavor of the ERA market 2023, and our panelists, Daniela Niederstetter, Florence Dupont, and José Blanco for participating to this event. I wish you all an insightful webinar and a very successful European Rental Week. Thank you.